I have had my Cuisinart coffee maker for several years now, and it has held up great, and it is a great coffee pot. You can see on the top that it is definitely aged because I have had it a very long time. This is a 14 pot coffee carafe, which I love that, and it washes up and is kept up very nicely. So I want to go over some of the features of this coffee pot and why I love it so much. Taking a close-up look at the Cuisinart coffee pot, the buttons up here, you can set the time on your coffee pot, as many coffee makers do, with the hour, the minute, but what it also has is a carafe temperature that you can set on this coffee maker. So you have low, medium, and high. I don't know if you saw them switching here. Also, you have the tone if you want it to make a noise or not make a noise. I don't. So as you can see, there's a little X over this. If you click it again, it allows your coffee maker to make a noise when it is done brewing. Now we have over here a cleaning feature. So I like to buy the little coffee maker cleaner pods, put them in, and you will click this clean button. You can also choose to brew a more bold coffee, and you can set your coffee pot for the brew off and the auto off, or to have your coffee programmed to auto make it. And that is what this button is for. This is the program auto button, where you can set the hour that you want your coffee to brew. As you see, when you hold it in, it begins flashing, and you can set the time and the minutes in which you want your coffee to brew. Now, if I want that off, I simply just turn my brewing feature off here. Now here, and this final button is for smaller pots of coffee when you're making only 1 to 4 cups. So it brews it ultimately for better taste with a smaller coffee batch. Now, the type of filters that go inside. This carafe holds the carafe holds the triangle type of coffee filters. I already have brewed a cup of coffee. My filter that I have in here is a little bit too small. My filter I had in here was a little bit folded over because it's already been damp and wet. But it takes these triangle shaped coffee filters, the Cuisinart, instead of the traditional round filters inside, in case you need to know about that. Everything is in the top. You pour the water here in the back, and your filter goes right here. As you can see, that's what this looks like. You just put your water on either side down into the tank, and your basket fits right in place here. And you will just put your paper, your coffee grinds. It's got a huge shower head type of top that disperses the water down in there rather than one singular drip hole. And I think that's also the secret to the coffee turning out so good in this coffee maker. Okay, coffee is done. I've already put the cream in the cup.